Hey Isaac,
Um,
can you say that word again?
um,
What are you drinking?
um,
What is it called? What's in your cup?
almond.
Lemonade?
Yeah.
Can you say lemonade?
Almond.
That's getting better. Is it yummy?
Yep.
I think that's your first lemonade ever. Wait, what are you drinking?
Almond.
Wait, say it again. Look at mommy. Look at mom. Look at mommy. Hey, look at the camera.
Almond.
Say it again. Say it again. One more time. What are you drinking?
Almond.
Oh, that's better. I like it. Yay. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say I love lemonade.
And almond.
What, is it dirty? Okay, bye-bye.
May I do?
What did you do? You cleaning up?
Dick.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, stop touching.